Hello there. Alrighty, I'm coming on to make a tag because I made a video about making this before and what I used it for. I made a card and I figured I have this scrap left. Why waste it? I'm going to go ahead and glue it on here and I'm going to make it into a tag. So let's do that. I love blue and green together. I just think that's such a pretty color combo. And yellow and gray rather. Oh, I love those colors together. They're so pretty. All right, and I think I'm going to do this sideways, like so. That'll be pretty. Yeah, that's a nice idea. Give that a little back rub. Alrighty. Then we can trim this little bit of excess off. There. Very nice. I like it. All right, now we've got to make the top into a tag. Tag topper. Perfect. All right, then we can punch a hole. Actually, first I want to cut a piece of this. We can fold that over. Then we can cut the hole. Just gives it another little look to it. There, that's nice. Okay, then we can punch the hole. Perfect. Alrighty, then we need some string. Tags are so fun and easy to make. There's so many varieties of things that you can put on, and I don't know, you can do so many things with them. I like making them. Alrighty, and then let's tie this into a bow. Perfect. Alrighty. Now, what else to put on there? Let's see. Now I gotta decorate it and have fun. That's neat. Okay, let's see. What kind of stickers do I have over here? Or does anything in here match? Nope, not really. Alright, I keep hoping. Yes, I do. I keep hoping and hoping I can find something to put on there. Ooh, I could do a leaf and then a flower. There, let's do that. That just has the one leaf on it. There. The back sheet is full. Okay, oh, that has two on it. Okay. Alrighty, so I'm thinking maybe this one. That would be pretty. Let's do that. I hate to touch it with my fingers because then it de-sticks it. Yeah, these are getting kind of a little old. These are from the Dollar Tree. That's really pretty. I don't want to cover up the whole thing. Just part of it, maybe like that. There. Ooh, that's pretty. I like that. Nice Nice, nice, nice. Okay. Give it a little back rub. I like that. That looks sharp. All right, let's put these back in here. And close that back up. And what else? Flower, 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 flower. Do I want to use one of those? Why not? I love using these. They're so versatile. They just match with everything. Inside of envelopes, security envelopes, you gotta love them. Because then we could put a blue or a green dot on the inside and that'll match really nicely. All right, so let's go ahead and fold these up. And this is my all-time favorite way to make a flower. There are other ways that I like too, but this is the one that this is my definite go-to. Especially when I'm doing a video. There we go. Alrighty. Put a little bit of glue in the middle there. Pick this one up. Turn it around. Put it in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There. That's going to be pretty. Or maybe down here. Or maybe up there and then a word down here. That's a better idea. Okay, let's do that. Yep. There. Squirt good dollop of glue there. Alrighty, where's that pencil? Ooh, it won't move anyways. It's on. Oh, that's right, because this is kind of, the leaf is kind of a rubbery type consistency. All right, so I need a dot for in the middle. Alrighty, primary colors. That's what I need, primary colors. Note this is gold and silver dots, but it does have some colored ones. Where'd the primary dots go? Right there, right next to it. I even touched it and moved it aside. Alrighty, and I think I do want green in there. That'll be pretty. So where's my wax pencil? Right here. Alrighty, I want green. Oh yes, that's perfect. Okay, so as we need is a little glue in there. Pick this up and stick it on in there. That's pretty. All right, these can come back over here. There we go. And I want a little word for down here. So what's the word? Love you for good or be brave. Let's do be brave. Why not? Be brave. Gotta always close those scissors up because my kitty likes doing a running jump slide onto my desk a lot of times, especially if I've shoot him down a couple times. He's not too needy today though. He's been doing pretty good. All right, and I think I'm just gonna do this like right there. That came out really pretty. I like the way that looks. Isn't that cute? What a fun little tag. So what do you think of that? Isn't that fun? Alrighty. So I can put this away. And let me bring this up closer so you can see it. Does it need bling? I don't know. Oh, I don't think it really needs bling. I kind of like it just like this. So I think I'm going to leave it. So here you go. Here's a close-up. So I hope you like this tag idea. And perhaps you'll give it a try. And until we meet again, happy crafting. Bye-bye.